prosecutors in District Attorney General Charm Allen's career gang unit obtained a conviction today against a man who sold cocaine to a Knoxville Police Department informant. Rashawn Lateef Jordan, 35, was convicted of sale and delivery of cocaine over 0.5 grams in a drug-free childcare zone. Judge Bob McGee set the case for sentencing on June 24. In a two-day trial, Assistant District Attorneys Sarah Keith and Jennifer Welch explained to the jury that on March 25, 2010, Knoxville Police Department investigator John Holmes used a confidential informant to purchase cocaine from Jordan. Holmes provided the informant with an undercover wire and $1,080 to purchase 1 ounce of cocaine. When the informant and Jordan met, Jordan sold the informant 22 grams of cocaine. The informant then turned over the cocaine and the recording of the transaction to Holmes. Because of his criminal history, Jordan is facing between 12 and 20 years in prison. Jordan's prior felony convictions include possession with intent to sell cocaine, attempted aggravated sexual battery, evading arrest, and 2 counts of theft. Additionally, Jordan is a member of the East Side Bloods criminal street gang. Clearly, Jordan's 5 prior felony convictions were not enough to deter his criminal activity, said D.A. Allen. With this conviction, my office has ensured that he will not be able to commit any more crimes in Knoxville for a very long time.